Hey guys, welcome back to Franker Farm. So I just picked up a new GMT400. It's a 1992 3/4 ton 4-wheel drive, not getting stuck in the backyard truck. It's got the Chevy 350 in it. It's a Silverado model with power locks and windows, which is pretty good. And half the tires are new on it, so that's kind of handy. Somebody rhino lined the bed in there and the guy gave me a worn out spare tire, so that's good. And really impressed with this truck. I was not planning on buying it today, but it just turned out to be good quality and good condition. So next I'll get it home and then we'll have a peek through it and see what's under the hood and all that. Oh man, it's so much quieter in here than my last truck. Those square bodies are super loud. But check out the dash in this. I didn't even know that they had this modern of a dash. I just thought it was that half moon weird thing where it just kind of moved back and forth instead of having needles. Unfortunately, nothing I own seems to ever come with a stereo, and like everything else I have, a cracked windshield is just mandatory, so that'll have to be addressed at some point. But overall, she's not too bad, so have to do some cleanup and stuff. And she's got a dog seat in the back there, so that's good, and that seat folds up. So luckily it has an 8-foot bed, which was a must for me, and we'll have to fix this thing up and see how it does. Let's do one of them cold start type videos. Haven't touched this thing since last night when I brought it home. Woohoo, fires right up. Lower motor is a little bit noisy right now, but it should quiet down in a sec. I'm wondering about this CD player here, and if you know if these things came with factory provisions for CDs. That kind of looks like what that is, unless those are for tapes. And I am old enough that I had tapes when I was a kid, but I don't think those are quite wide enough for cassettes. So, and it looks like somebody's put a CD player thing in here, so we'll pop the hood. See if we can hear the engine roar in this thing. Ooh, she's not bad. Show you the super custom ridiculous exhaust this thing has. Woohoo! Just a little bit of moisture in the morning. It doesn't actually smoke or anything, so that's good. That'll go away. Looks like it needs new shocks, but I do want that exhaust coming all the way out the rear end. I am going to change that. I'll put an extension on that and shoot it out the back. I've heard that exhaust is corrosive and apparently it can rust out your body and stuff like that. And the frame of this truck is just way too nice, and the body panels to let it rust anymore. So yeah, I mean, it's not too bad. Runs fairly decent. I just shut it off there so that we can actually talk, but the guys that I got it from said that they just clean vehicles up and flog them and stuff like that, so they were pretty honest about what they were doing with it. But it's an AC truck. The AC works. One of the high beams doesn't work, so I got to replace a bulb on that. Other than that, everything works on it. The 4-wheel drive works good, and should just be pretty easy to hop in and go and not have to worry about too much. So pretty excited about that. I am kind of sad that it's not, you know, one of those square body crew cabs, but they're just hard to find, and I'm not ready to drop $8,000 for a truck like that. So this will do for now and looks fairly decent. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned and we'll fix it up.